Imagine waking up every morning to the sound of rolling waves, where the horizon is your artwork in your private five-star retreat. Welcome to Casamar and Pompano Beach, where luxury living meets the Atlantic Ocean. This is not just a residence, this is a brand new ultra-luxury townhome-style condominium, and it is ready for you to move in, totally furnished interiors by designer Stephen G. Turnkey, just in time for the holidays. Located directly on the sand in the rapidly transforming Pompano Beach, Casamar is a new wave of world-class beachfront living attracting buyers from around the globe. This exquisite townhome offers 3,900 plus square feet of pure modern elegance, featuring 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a private den. Nearly every room frames unobstructed panoramic ocean views, a rare experience in even luxury real estate. From the moment you enter this seamless indoor-outdoor flow, soaring ceilings and refined finishes create a feeling of bespoke luxury, where sophistication and comfort coexist. Step into your private lanai and experience true coastal serenity. This outdoor oasis is perfect for alfresco dining, morning coffee, or sunset gathering with families and friends, ideal for hosting guests, working remotely, or unwinding in total peace. Perched directly on the pristine sands of Pompano Beach, this residence places you closer to the ocean than most single-family homes without the maintenance. This is a rare opportunity to own an oceanfront escape where every day feels like a vacation. And the best part, it's move-in ready right now. If you're waiting for a perfect turnkey beachfront home, this is the moment. Call or text me to set up your private tour at Casamar. Opportunities like this don't come twice. Your oceanfront lifestyle awaits. Make this your paradise for the holidays. Karen Foster, 561-212-7769. Again, Karen Foster, 561-212-7769.